Previous tweets, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to crash to $20,000. We'll then wait for a test of the bottom, which might be $17,000. Once I know the bottom is in, I back up the truck. Crashes are the best times to get rich.
Yeah.
And you early on were talking, I think last time you were here about a year ago, you were saying that you had bought some Bitcoin and some Ethereum. What have you learned from the crypto markets? What are you looking to do now from those crypto markets? And how have those crypto markets shown people maybe what the central banks are doing?
When I saw crypto coming out, I heard about it, and then I think it went to 20K. But as you know, it always retraces. All booms, bust. So as soon as it busted, it went down to 1,000. Then I want to test the strength of it because I took technical trading courses. Technical is a volatility. When I watched the technicals drop, I said, okay, so Bitcoin this is years ago, went to from 20 to about 1, I think, or so. And I watched it, and I watched the momentum pick up. So I came in at 6,000. So I bought at 6, about 60 coins, plus Ethereum. And as you know, your profit's made when you buy, not when you sell. So then I watch it scream up. Everybody's saying it's $1 million. I don't get sucked into the hype. Because my rich dad taught me early on, your profit is made when you buy, not when you sell.
What does that mean?
You wait for the crash.
Right.
Crashes make the rich richer.
Right. The profit is made when you buy. So you should be buying at those times when there's blood in the streets. You should be buying at those intelligent levels. Right. So you're always entering in at the right time into a trade because that's when you make money.
Yeah, you know that. I mean, that's what traders do.
Yeah.
There's traders and investors. And it's important to be both.
Yeah.
You have to know the momentum of markets. That's what looking at charts constantly. But then I've got to look at the fundamentals. What does the income, expense, asset, liabilities tell you? So that's why I created the cash flow board game so that you could understand fundamentals, income statement, balance sheet. So this is a financial statement in pictures. So this is income statement, income expense. This is a balance sheet, assets and liabilities, and the lines are cash flow. So when a banker looks at your statement, a poor person's cash flow is going from here to here. You just get sucked out the pocket. It's not how much money you make. As you know, Brian, a lot of people make a lot of money. They just spend more money to buy bigger stuff. This is middle class, and what they have the ability is to get a loan. So they get a raise, but they buy a bigger house. So you just get sucked out more this way. When a banker's looking at this, he's going, oh, this guy's an idiot. Or this couple's an idiot. I don't care if they went to Harvard or PhDs or magna cum laude and all that stuff. They can't manage their money. And this here is what the rich do. I'm creating assets. So that's why here's my little July 8, 2022, my first listing on the New York Stock Exchange. Rang the bell. I was going, but that's the goal of an entrepreneur. But I created an asset. It's the richest gold mine in the world.